So friends, today we are going to review this Agaro blood pressure monitoring machine from the Agaro company, model number BP501A. See it closely. If I zoom it a bit, okay. You can see all the details over here, and it cost me around 999 rupees. So let's open it. So basically, before starting, I would like to tell you that it's Agaro automatic digital blood pressure monitor BP501A, and 240 memory, talk function batteries and included. You can order from Amazon. And let me just open it. Yes, I think packing is quite good. Now I'll keep what we have here. One second, let me check. We have here is a user manual from where you can get all the information that how to use this machine. And so this is from Agaro, and I'll keep this thing aside. Now we'll open it, check what this is gonna be. Oh, packing seems to be quite good. There is a machine. We'll go for secondary. First, this is the charger. It comes with a USB charging and with a 4 small cell. I'll keep this thing aside. And this is the band, which contains, one second, what all mentioned here. This comes with a wide curve, memory 2 into 120, speaking function it has, multiple user, an average reading, and WHO indicator, irregular heart rate detection. So it's like complete package you can have at your home. This is a battery, right? So let me just check it before proceeding. 4 batteries, and this is the hand curve, which will basically be use it to tie, and this is the pipe. I don't know what is the medical term of it, but from where the air will go and inflate this cuff, right? So we'll keep this aside, and I don't think so the material is like quite good, but it's okay. It's like glossy. Now this one, that's a machine. See, you can see here, you can put your charger cells over here. Let me put it over here again, and then the second time. 1, 2, 3, and that's 4. Now let me close this, and the stoppers are quite good. You can see it will not slip on the ground when we're going to operate this. As Agaro is written everything, number, customer care, including mail ID, and that is a machine. I think that's one is switched on. See, system, mmHg, dia, pull, set, and all. Okay, so what we'll do before proceeding further, we can just try to fix over here. You can see this is the charging port, and this one is the from where the pressure should come out, and that's how it's gonna work. And oh, it speaks also. 1 second, let me just type to myself to check how much BP I have right now. Oh, it's playing song also. Music. Stop. I'm not stopping it. It's inflated already a little bit. Right? So let's just use it. You can see I put it here. Now I'm just pressing it start. Attention. Now it started motor. Now it is plating. It's working fine, but it's like a bit dull. Screen is a bit dull. See, that's been showing the heart rate. Let me bring somebody a bit closer. Oh, that's too much. 157 or 114.
Systolic blood pressure
See?
is 157 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your diastolic blood pressure is 114 millimeter of mercury. Your heart rate is 99 beats per minute. Measurement over. According to the World Health Organization standards, the measurement result is high. If your blood pressure stays high, please turn to your physician for help. Thanks for using. Wishing you good health.
And you can see here it's vibrating. My heartbeat is working abnormally. You see clearly here. Okay guys, so thanks. I'm done with it. Now to wrap it up. Right, so this is the review of Agaro BP machine.